Yeah. Welcome back to the application packaging session. In this session, we are discussing about the reissues, services, and firewalls. What is meant by reissues? It is a hierarchical database centralized that manages resources and stores configuration settings for application. That means it is a database that contains data that is critical for the operation of the Windows applications and services run on Windows. Generally, these reissues are five types. Those are SKey classes root, SKey current user, SKey local machine, SKey user, SKey current config. So here in this application packaging, we'll mainly focusing on the SKey local machine and SKey current user and SKey classes root. So other than these three, there are SKey users and SKey current config. So SKey user is a consisting of all user data. SK current user is a consisting of current user data. So what we do in this application packaging means when the application is installed, some registries are generated. So to check the registries generated or not and where the registries are generated, we'll open in the registries and we'll check these hierarchies. So first of all, how to open the registries. So we have three ways through the run bar and command bar or check bar. So the command is regedit, regedit. So through run command regedit, it is a admin access. So if you have admin access only, we can open this registry. After clicking, so these are the types of registries before I said already. So if application is installed, so some ICE are generated. In this part, generally in the folder point of view, we'll be saying the path. In the register point of view, we'll saying the ICE. We don't use a path here. So it's a ICE. When the application is installed, the ICE are generated. So if some software applications are installed in for the current user, it may generate under HKCU software. So this is the part, right? HKCU and if the application installed, so some IVs are generated under the HKCU software. If the application is installed in the system level, some IVs are, I mean software IV is generated under the SKLM. SKLM means SK local machine. So SKLM is a sort of part. SKLM software. If the application is a 32-bit means SKLM software WoW 6432. No, these are the three locations when the we need to check when the application is installed. So if application install is REC generated or not, we have to check under this. So another thing is uninstallation string have. These uninstallation string have means when the application is installed. So to uninstall also we have to, I mean the details of the application is generated under this uninstall app. In from this we can know the total software details. For example, if I go for the SKLM software, I mean this SKLM software and this SKLM software, the first two are for the system level, and this last the third one is the current user, I mean the user level. So if I go to for the uninstallation I to the same part of the registry, SKLM software, Microsoft Windows current version uninstallation. So the applications which are installed will be creating this uninstallation have, but we are not sure which path it will which I it will be generated. So we will be checking for the uninstallation part for the three I. So from the why we checking this uninstallation I means it will be useful while using the packaging. So to know the display name, we can copy directly from this what is the software application display name and what is the display version and what is the publisher and the vendor, that is a vendor, and how we can using this uninstallation string. by copying these things and running this command onto the command prompt or a PowerShell command prompt, we can uninstall the application. So for this thing, for these details, we can uh, find out in the uninstallation app. So this one is the uninstallation app we are covered, and this another one is the application installation app. Another one is file type association type. What it means by file type association type? So whenever the application is installed or software is installed, the supporting types of files are created. So to create, I mean to what is it? To support those things, these association files are generated. For example, if we I go to the SKey classes root, this is the main app where the all the association files are generated. Association files means, for example, for the PDF, it is a .pdf, for the document, for the DOC. So those all are created like so DOC. So it is a DOC dot DOC and dot PDF. It is a dot PDF. So we don't know. I mean, this is for the general purpose. This SK classes root and what is meant by classes root. It is a general purpose. What is the useful for this? So what does it mean? We don't know. It is came with our application or it came with another application or by default. So we just capture these things while doing the packaging. We don't exclude this SKey classes root, and in the SKey current user also will have a classes root in the under the software classes. So these are the classes which are created under this current user, and under the local machine for all the users which are on this machine. So there is also SKLM software and under these classes. So here also there are classes. Here one thing what means, whatever the classes available in this SKLM software classes, that may or may not be available in this SK current user also. So yeah, one more thing is HKey current user is a replication of the SKey users. Actually, whatever the details available in the SKey current user will be available in the SKey user. But we only use this SKey current user. Why? Because SKey current user is a, in this IU in this key SKey CO, everything is organized in a way. If you want the details of the softwares installed on this current user, we can directly go into the current user and the software. Under the software, we can check based on these names. But if we go same with the SKey users, it will be like something. We are it will be some complicated. The manual work will be more. We don't know how to get onto. So to avoid that thing, we'll be working on the SKCU and SKLM. Hmm. This is all about the registries, and next one is about the services. What is mean by services? To run the applications, I mean, what does it service? These services are run in the background actually. I mean, to run the application background, the task will automatically, the service will automatically interact when log in with the application, and it will run in the background. Then in a simple way, when the user log into the system, the services automatically in the background it will interact with the application, and the whatever the process need to run in the backend, it will be done with the help of the services. So whenever the application is installed, services may create or not. In some cases, services may create one or many. It depends on the application. So to know the services created or to check the services, here we have a services.msc command. services.msc. This is a command. Taking time, yes. So in this, these are all the services which are installed or running. I mean, installed on this system. So when we are working on application packaging, whatever this name is, this name is just a display name. We don't work on the display name. This service name is, with the help of the service name only, we will be working on the application packaging or when doing the packaging. So yeah, mm, we can open this properties by clicking, double clicking, or by selecting right click and the properties for every application. So we are only working on a general. So here this service name is app info. So what is it? What is the services do? This facilitates the running of it. I mean, that is not the main point of view. Here, what you mean? What are the services, and how to see the services, and what is the startup type? I mean, it is manually running or automatic or disabled, and what is the status? It is running or not. So we will be working on these things, and here one thing, how we can know this service is installed with our application or not. To check that one, to check that one, from here we can check how means by double clicking on properties and to part the build to this is the what is it? This is a part of the from here see Windows System 32. This is the part of our application installation directory. So when we done the folders, or I mean folder directory or installation directory, we can know that from that level we can know that what is the installation directory. So by remembering that application installation directory, we have to check that part is matching with this or not. If it is matched, this is our service which came with our installation. But there are number of services are here, so we can't go one by one and by double clicking, and we can't check which service is which came with our application. So to avoid this one, we will go with another method, that is run ms info 32. So here in this in system summary software environment, here what we are working on services. When we click on services, here we have a part. We can extend this part, and generally we can scroll it, and we already remember, or we already know that what is the installation directory. So from that, by seeing these all things, we can know what is our services. I mean what is the services that came with the application. So in this way, we can check these services, and we can also check the services in the registry also. If we go to our registry, mm, in the registry, SKLM software, so it's a system, right? It's a SKLM system current control check. In this, we have services. Here, all the services will be here. Whatever the services we are seeing in the services.msc will be here. From here, we can also check. With this registry only, we will be manipulating. I mean, we will be managing with the script while doing in the what is it, the application package. This is the details of the services. And yeah, this is these two topics for in this session, and in other session I will cover other details. Yeah, thank you.